In this video, I will show you all the different fees when leverage trading on the platform Phemex. We will take a look at what fees there are, how high they are. I will show you some examples and a comparison to other exchanges. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Phemex, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page here, and you can pick up many different bonuses. They might change over time. Sometimes you can pick up to $2,000 or $3,000. Currently, they have an event where you have an airdrop where you can get some PT tokens, as well as easily pick up $50 of welcome rewards. All you have to do then is just go up here to register now. If you click on the link, and then you will see right here that you are eligible for all the nice bonuses. To create an account, you can just enter details right here, and then you're ready to go. It only takes 30 seconds. All right, so let's jump right into the fees. First of all, we are going to go through all the order fees. So you have to pay them when you open or close a position. We have to look at here contract. Spot market is only if you're trading on spot market, but in this case, we are going to look at contract. So for leverage trading, we have to look at contract. First of all, there is the maker fee of 0.01%. Maker fee means that you always have to pay it when you're losing a limit order. The limit order means in trading, right here on the right side, if you choose to use a limit order, you can set a certain price in here, for example, at 38,000, and then only if the price goes down to that price, then the order will be executed. The fee for that is always a little bit lower because you're effectively placing an offer in the order book, which is of course useful for the platform, and therefore the fees are a bit lower. As you can see, 0.01% is incredibly low of a fee. The other fee that you have is a taker fee of 0.06%. This fee is a little bit higher, and this always occurs when you're using a market order. So if you choose right here, market, you cannot set any price because you are entering the market immediately at the current market price. The fee for that is a bit higher because you're effectively taking an order on the order book, and it's called taker because you're taking an order, and limit order is maker because you are making and writing an order into the order book. All right, let's look at the comparison. As you can see, Phemex has pretty good fees. We see the 0.01 and 0.06% of maker and taker fee. I also calculated an average for you of 0.035%. That means for a $10,000 position, for example, we would have to pay a $3.50 fee. I always mention this, the fee is incredibly low and doesn't really matter. You know, the Bitcoin price can move up a few percent up or down within a day, so the 0.035% don't matter at all that much. And you also have to know, for example, if you have a long position with $10,000 and it goes up only 1%, the price of Bitcoin, you would make $100 of profit. So therefore, the $3.50 don't really make up a big portion. But it's definitely nice to see that Phemex definitely stands well against all these other exchanges, although they are pretty similar in fees. The last fee that also can occur is the so-called funding fee, which you can always see up here. There is a timer when it occurs, and there's a rate. The rate is important. If this is positive, then you have to pay it if you have a long position, and you will actually be credited that amount of your position size if you have a short position. On the other way, if here is a minus before, so it's a negative value, then you will get it granted if you have a long position, and you will have to pay it if you have a short position. It's also important that the fee only occurs when this timer goes to 0 and you have a position opened at that time. So if you close your position before the timer reaches 0 and you open one after it, again, you won't have to pay any fee. By the way, this countdown has an 8-hour interval. So if it goes to 0, it starts back at 8 hours and then it goes down again. And these are basically all the fees that you have to keep in mind on Phemex. Don't forget to create an account on Phemex by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible. Just click your register now, and then you are ready to go. If you need more tutorials on Phemex, how to deposit money or how to leverage trade on here, I have many tutorials on my channel. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.